you're a stay-at-home dad who's looking to make a couple extra bucks without leaving the house, I want to show you a method I'm currently using to make a little over $1,000 a week. I'm able to watch my girls all day. It only takes about an hour or two each night, and it requires almost nothing to get started. So stick around. Hey, welcome back. My name is Dom and I run the Datapreneur YouTube channel. This channel talks all about making money online by selling other people's products as a freelancer. I put out a new video every single week, so if that's something you want to learn about, consider hitting the subscribe button. But before I show you how I make money, I want to tell you a little bit about my backstory. You see, back in 2017, I started my own rental car business and things went well for a while. My wife and I decided that the business was stable enough to start a family and that she would quit her job a few months after the baby was born. Well, after my first daughter was born, my business started to take a nosedive. My wife wasn't able to quit her job, so that meant I had to take my daughter to work with me every day while she worked her 9 to 5. And that's probably the hardest thing that I've ever had to do. I had to run a 15-car rental operation solo while taking care of a 6-month-old. Talk about stress. But long story short, the rental car business was completely dissolved at the beginning of the pandemic. Thankfully, my wife was able to keep her job, but I was effectively a stay-at-home dad with no income and no way to afford daycare. My wife didn't make enough to support us on her own, so I still had to figure out a way to make some money. Luckily, I learned how to sell other people's products as a freelancer. And that's the method I'm going to show you in this video. So let's hop into my computer and let me show you something that I bet you haven't seen before. Okay, so we're here on my computer and on everybody's favorite website of 2020, Amazon.com. I'm willing to bet any amount of money that you ordered something off of Amazon in the past 12 months, but I'm also willing to bet that you didn't read the fine print at the bottom of the website. That's because if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, right, past all the ads, past all the suggested orders, and you come down here and you see right here where it says become an affiliate. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up to sell Amazon products and earn a commission for doing so. Again, right here, you see that it's free to sign up. You can recommend products and sell Amazon products, and then you can earn up to 10% in qualifying commissions for every product that you sell. Now, the beauty of this is that it's not just Amazon that has this type of a program. If we hop on over to Target's website and we scroll all the way on the bottom, we come down where it says more, scroll down, you'll see right here where it says affiliates. And it's the same type of page. You can sign up, promote, and earn up to 8% on Target products. Best Buy is the same deal. Same thing. We hop on the website, scroll all the way to the bottom, right here where it says affiliate program under partnerships. And we're taken to a page where it reads more of the same. Now, these three companies aren't the only companies that have affiliate programs. There's literally tens of thousands of companies on the internet that allow you to sign up and sell their products for them. Now, the most lucrative of these programs are in the business coaching and consulting space. For instance, look at this commission right here. Now, that represents just a single sale from one promotion that I did. But let me be clear, I don't make these kinds of sales every single day. I wish I did. But I do make a few of these every single month despite only working about 2 hours a day. And here's how I do it. Okay, so what I do is that I partner with companies that already have high quality products for sale and bonus points if they're really expensive. Now that we've partnered with a company, it's on me to go out and find customers. But how do we go out and pair these people with this company? That might sound like a very hard task to do, but there's a couple of simple ways that you can go about it. But first, the wrong way to do it. What most people do is they'll hop on Facebook, and what they'll do is they'll try to guess and go into Facebook groups and sneak into them where they think the ideal customer is hanging out because they've already partnered with this company, and they'll friend a bunch of random people inside of these groups, interact with them, and then they'll start cold pitching in their DMs saying, hey, I noticed that you have this problem. I'm partnered with this company. Why don't you check out their stuff? Now, obviously, I don't advise this method. It annoys people a lot more than it helps, and it's horribly inefficient. I mean, you'll be working hours and hours and hours a day trying to find your customers manually. So instead, we're going to flip the script and have our customers find us. Now, instead, what we're going to do is we're going to create a spot where our customers can actually find us. A website of sorts, but not a full website. Now, in order to feed this website, we're going to create things like a TikTok account, a YouTube channel, or we can also create a blog. These three content channels are going to feed this website. So now what happens is that our customer here is scrolling through TikTok, they are searching on YouTube, or they're searching on Google, and they're going to come across our content over here. This content now is either going to answer the question and then make a product recommendation to the person watching, at which point it's going to direct them over to our website before forwarding them on to the partner company. If they buy based on our recommendation, we earn a commission. Now, the key to making all of this work is on our website. Notice how this is called an opt-in page. What we do is we're going to offer something for free in exchange for somebody's email address. Because once we have the email address, we can start emailing them about the offer if they don't buy. So most of the people that put their email address in, we're going to make the product recommendation. Most of them aren't going to buy. That's just sales. But if we have an email address, we can actually follow up with these people. But what we can also do is we can actually send them offers from complimentary products. Let's duplicate this. Let's say we partner with another company over here. So someone watches our TikTok, our YouTube, or our blog. They give us their email address. We make a product recommendation. If they buy, we earn money. Great. If they don't, they're now on an email sequence. These emails are going to either redirect them to the first company in an effort to capture the sale, or we'll say, hey, you know what? We recommended a barbecue. Why don't you pick up a set of barbecue tongs? We know you're into barbecues. So these emails are going to pitch barbecue tongs, and we can make this as long as we want and pitch as many products as we want and make as much money as we want. Now, what's really cool about this system and the secret to working only 2 hours a night is that after they put in their email address, everything on the right side here, everything past this point is automated. Now all we have to do is spend an hour or 2 hours each night making a TikTok post, creating a YouTube video, or writing a blog article. All we have to do is just keep increasing this body of content for people to find. Because once they click over to this page, we've already done the work once, we don't have to do it again. Now, after a few months of building the whole back-end sequence and putting out some initial content, my work weeks now only consist of making 12 TikToks, making 1 YouTube video, and writing 1 blog article. I knock it out after the girls go to bed, and I have all day to spend with them. Now, if I want to take a vacation, I just double up my workload, schedule it out for the next week, and then just take off. It's a beautiful thing. Now, it's actually not that hard to get started. It's a simple step-by-step process that anybody can follow. Now, as a matter of fact, I linked the exact same training that I took a year ago in the description of the video. I followed the steps, internalized the content, and just started creating. I didn't worry about things being perfect, I just started. And then I committed to creating a piece of content every single day for a year. Over time, things grew, and that's where I am here today. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I read every single one, and I answer 99% of them. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will show you more of my videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on so you'll get notified as soon as new videos get released every week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. And if you want step-by-step instruction over 15 days, check out my link in the description for the Online Business Builder Challenge.